How many?
2.
This is what we're ordering at Wendy's.
And a junior bacon cheeseburger.
Okay.
Medium Sprite.
Sprite?
Medium Sprite.
Okay.
Large number 7.
A large number 7.
Plain.
Plain.
What kind of drink?
Coke. They said plain.
Coke. Is that last combo has to be plain?
The number 7 plain?
Yes.
Also 2 junior cheeseburgers with just ketchup and pickle.
2 junior cheeseburgers with just ketchup and pickles.
This is ridiculous because they wouldn't let us pick one order, so this is what we're ordering.
That's it.
That's all.
$33.96. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nikki, what did you just order?
I got a large number 7, 2 junior cheeseburgers with a big bucket of Coke because we're gonna be up late and I'm starving because dinner sucked this evening. How about you, Misty? What'd you get?
I ordered 2 junior bacon cheeseburgers, a chicken sandwich, a Frosty, and some French fries. Because I'm hungry because it's been forever since we've had dinner and we're staying up late to do work. Do you see how this combination isn't conducive for a healthy eating style?
Just make sure we get a receipt.
We also don't have a lot of conviction in withstanding these temptations because we could have went somewhere and got positive food, but the only place that's open this late at night when we're up is places like this. Fast food places where we get all kinds of bad food.